I'm just finishing it up. When I got it, this is the piece of rubber that they gave me to stick in there. I'm just applying my last dollar store double-sided adhesive. And one more. If you do this, gives it some place to stick. Now when I put the rubber in here, I'm going to take these off, put the rubber in here, but the rubber I want to clean it up with 91% alcohol, and I want to sand it down a little. But that's how to use the dollar store double-sided adhesive tape to make your project work. Because if you bought one of these and you have a flex frame on your bike, guess what? It doesn't work. And we're almost ready for the rubber. It's almost bike riding season, so I want to make sure. And I also found out that some of them, they have bike racks for the front spokes, even when you do have the shock absorbers.